Hi, Live in Light. I'm Kirti, Energy Alchemist. I help people to transform their lives out of anxiety, loneliness, sadness, and feeling confusion all the time to be happy and healthy at mental level and soul level. So, we all are in a phase where the second wave is getting higher of coronavirus. I do not want to talk about this, but I have been guided to talk about this because recently I am feeling the symptoms of mild corona. So if you are asking that is medicine going to help, is healing energy going to help, are healing circles, are healing codes, light codes going to help you be safe out of this problem, then my answer is I have been doing everything. It could safeguard you, it could keep you safe till the level of your thoughts which you are possessed with. I mean, if you are thinking that you are going to be affected, then there are chances that you are going to be affected. It's about your faith, it's about you, that if a mild condition happens, do you take it as a severe one or as a lower one? As in my case, if I am feeling low and feeling like it could be a sign of coronavirus, being affected by coronavirus, I would keep myself uplifted, take medicines, start healing myself with the code I recently or I last year I channeled a healing code for COVID-19 and it is helped. I'm using the same thing to keep myself healed. No matter what happens, I need to heal myself. I need to keep my thoughts positive that I am going to come out of this easily and happily. I have to come out of this for my family, not myself, but my family. I have seen friends and family dying. I have seen friends and family being affected by coronavirus and it is taking our life. But how long will you survive is not the answer. How would you keep your faith intact is your solution. Out of this, no matter if you are infected on the first wave, second wave, or going to be upcoming waves, you have to keep yourself faithfully intact about a belief that you are going to be safe and secure. Your family is safe and secure. And what am I doing these days is I close my eyes, take few deep breath in, out, and release and feel. Every time I breathe deeply, I feel a protected layer of light around me and my family, and it is up to you how broad you want to take it. If you want to spread it all around your family members and your relatives, it's up to you. I feel a golden light all around me, protecting me, safeguarding me, and healing me. If I am affected by runny nose, it could be a sign of mild corona, but it is runny nose. I need to be healing it, not feeling like, oh my god, I might be, it could go severe, it could go severe. Not thinking like that. Instead of that, focus yourself on positivity and bring on this golden light all around you, throughout, around you at 360 degrees, and feel it is protecting you, and see the same light around your family members, around young ones, older ones, whom you want to feel protected to, and ask them to do the same thing if they can. If they can't, whatever you are feeling, whatever you are creating will help them. So when this golden light is formed around you, you have to think that it is healing you, it is safeguarding you from this virus, keeping you safe. All the virus is reflecting out of this awesome light, and as it reflects out, it is turning into positivity, healing rays for everyone, so that it won't affect anyone. and you can change your life. This is the one method that you can do every morning and evening to protect yourself, even if you have symptoms. But we can keep ourselves positive as much as possible. If we won't do that, we will die before the death. That's all. That's all. When you keep thinking about all the negative things, people are thinking at the highest level of negativity at this time, and thinking that minor things can multiply to the severe things, severe symptoms. Instead of doing so, think of your children, think of your old parents or old people around you. Think of them and pray to God, pray to angels, work with whomever you want to. You can pray to your gods, goddesses, whomever you pray to, and you can work with angels, archangels, and bring on them around you. This is the second thing. Sit down and relax just by deep breathing and invite them around you to create an energy circle of healing. When you heal, when you feel their energy around you, you can heal yourself. And that is how we create positivity. I had been feeling low throughout the day because I have a little pain in my neck, and I can say that it is going to be severe. But look at this. I am channeling light codes. I don't know how and why, and I am smiling. If I can heal myself instantly, thinking that I am going to be well, I just need to rest. I am thinking it on a second level, on a different level. Now you can get the energies of healing right here in this video, just like that, and you have to just relax and let it flow through me to you, through the universe. I am healing you and myself as well. So what happens is, when you feel that you are going to be healed, it work instantly. If you can feel that this is happening, this coronavirus is just a way to rest itself. Earth is creating it, world is creating it, and universe is creating it for the health of itself. The earth is getting older and older, and when we connect, we energy workers connect to the energies of Mother Earth, we feel that it is going on to a level of getting older and older and older. I even saw her dying at some stage, maybe a few million years or so, or 1,000 years or so. But when you feel the energies of going older, we feel that we need to take rest, and that is what is needed right now out of your body. You are birthing a new reality, and you need to rest. If you will feel this is for negative, something is going to happen to me or my family or this and that, it will happen. It is going to happen. Instead of thinking like that, stop your negative talks. I am not talking anything negative to my family, and I am just giving away all the energy that is creating this negativity to the universe, and they is thanking it that it is creating this negativity, so that I can rest for a few days, so that I can rest my body, so that my organs can rest, and I can work on myself by exercising, by eating healthy, and by motivating myself to exercise. You can turn your thoughts the way you want to, or you can stay stuck on all the negativities. I have seen people who do not listen to any positive thing, or do not take any positive motivational speakers seriously. I have seen thousands of people. People work with me for a few sessions and then leave me. Why? Because they can't stay on the positive point forever. And you have to believe, if you want to come out of this mental sickness called corona in your head, you have to be positive. You have to change your outlook. You have to see how my energy changed from the starting till here. At the starting my energy was this, and right now I am here by just channeling the little energy. I am sick is not the answer. I am healthy, I am healing is the answer to all the problems. If you stay stuck by thinking, oh my god, all this news is showing me that, oh, there are so many deaths, oh my god, there are so many people who are getting sick, oh my god, there are no beds, no oxygen. Go on YouTube. There are thousands of videos that can show you minor steps that can change your life. You have to just take action. Secondly, you can think of all the positivity you, if you don't find positivity, come to me. Come to me, I will eliminate your energy with positivity. Just like this. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And as I have been seeing a few death in my relatives, I feel that yes, you have to grieve. This is a process. This is an energy process of its own. Grieving is also a kind of problem. So if you are grieving for a long time, you have to stop it. You have to work with someone who can take you out of this grief. Grief is going to be another process during this COVID session. We have so many mental health issues going on right now with this coronavirus, and people are not looking at it. We are closed under the behind the doors, and we think that everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be solved, but we are not looking at how we are behaving. Our behavior is getting severely changed, and I'm going to talk about mental health and coronavirus in my next video and share it so that you won't get the points to change your life. You will get a little bit of healing during this video, which we did, and a little bit of motivation, because you do not need to panic. You need to relax yourself for your family. Stay in the moment and stay in the way that you are a saint. Oh my god, there is so peace around me. Have to be like that at this moment. Even if you are not stuck inside the doors, or you have to work as a doctor, as a nurse, or there are people working right now, and even when they are not nurses and doctors, they are working, they have to go out. Just see this energy around you, protecting you and shielding you. And whomever you are touching, being in contact with, is healed. You're magic. You have to believe in that. You have to believe in your magic. Just like I believe in my magic. I heal myself and I heal you. That's all. That's all the answers for your blockages right now. So this video is just like a motivational one. I wanted to say this out, and that's why I made this video. So live in light, enjoy your life, and make sure to keep practicing that energy every day. Live in light, enjoy your life, and have fun.